Welcome to corporate AI. In a world that is becoming increasingly competitive in the technological advancement space of our consciousness and innovation and technology, we think that it is our duty to give you as many AI capabilities as possible for a small fee of $14.99 a month. With this service, you will not only be able to sit back, relax, check off, drink some beer, smoke some pot, but you will also be able to watch as your computer does your job for you. But not only that, you don't even have to think anymore. Now, you can just let AI do everything in your life, such as watch TV, make art, go to parties, get married, and even get divorced. The possibilities are really endless. Now, with all those mindless tasks out of your own way, you are now free to think about things and sit and think and create bigger ideas. So long to the days of doing things at all. We can automate it now. No need to wipe your ass anymore. Welcome to corporate AI. Your dreams are no longer needed.